I'm sure you've been here before when I said, thoughts held in mind produce after their kind. If this is your first time coming, I say that a lot because it's so true that it bears repeating. But this week, and I don't know how this is going to come to imagination, so y'all just bear with me. This week, I wondered if thoughts held in mind have all this energy toward a thing. Where do those thoughts come from? We know on this hand that spirit is alive in us and we are created in that image and likeness, and that we are all good, all whole. We just said that, I am whole. But sometimes we will experience something less than wholeness. What happened? Where did the thought come from that made the less than wholeness happen in our lives? We're just simply expressing these thoughts. And it occurred to me that behind a thought is a belief. What do you believe is true? Sometimes we get those hand-me-down beliefs. Do you remember when you were a little kid, you had something that's, parents gave you things to help you stay safe. Little ideas. Don't jump from there. Don't touch that. But we grow up. Where do those ideas go? Most of us don't have to be warned anymore about those safety precautions. But where have those ideas, those beliefs, are they still running in the backgrounds of our minds? Have you heard anybody ever say, well, I have this because it runs in my family? And they perfectly expect to have that happen in their lives. They hold that belief, and it makes that thought. Well, we already said thoughts held in mind are going to do what? They're going to create your life, your body, your experience. Those hand-me-down beliefs can be playing in the background. You all heard of people who discuss the conscious mind and the subconscious mind, and it's kind of mysterious the way they say it, but it's all part of us. Because you could believe something like this disease or that situation comes through your family, so you're going to get it. You could believe that, but that does not make it true. The truth is, you're a child of God, made in the image and the likeness. So, where are we going to hold our attention? Where are we going to stand? And so some of those false ideas, that would be considered, I don't think anyone actually did it on purpose, but it served a purpose somewhere along the line, and maybe we need to examine our beliefs. Examine what we're building our thoughts on. There was years ago, and I cannot bring his name up at this moment because my mind is somewhere else. But he coined a phrase called stinking thinking. And I just thought it was funny at first. But I realized that that's what gets us. If we're holding on to thoughts and beliefs do not align with the truth of our being, then it's up to those thoughts, that stinking thinking, to create in our life. Is that what you want? It's your choice.